Former Cabinet Minister D.K. Duncan is dead. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely leave a comment in the comment section box below. One of the most controversial politicians of over decades from the 1970s, D.K. Duncan has passed away a short while ago at the hospital. He was just 80 years old. Now, what we know that in August 30th, he tested positive for the novel COVID-19 virus. So we don't know if this is attributed to his death. Now, we will have further updates on this, but for now, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, leave a comment in the comment section box below showing your condolences to the family of D.K. Duncan. He has served our country for over decades. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and RIP in the comment section box below.